Hello everyone and welcome back to another enlightening episode of Goettl Homeowner Tips. I'm Henry Rodriguez, and today we're covering a topic that impacts every homeowner: sewer line blockages. So buckle up as we demystify those pesky sewer line issues and empower you with the knowledge to prevent them. Let's jump right in. Your home sewer system plays a vital role in maintaining a hygienic and comfortable living space. But if you get a blockage, it can become a headache. Let's start by understanding what causes these blockages in the first place. Whether it's grease, tree roots, or non-flushable items, these culprits can lead to major disruptions in your daily life. Picture this: a blocked sewer line can result in slow drains, foul odors, and even sewage backups. Not a pretty sight, right? First things first, watch what you flush down your toilet and drain. Remember, only waste and toilet paper should be going down there. Non-flushable items like wet wipes or hygiene products and paper towels can wreak havoc on your sewer systems. By educating your family and guests about proper disposal, you're already taking a big step forward to preventing blockages. Now let's address another common culprit: tree roots. Those beautiful trees near your sewer line might have hidden intentions. Their roots can infiltrate and damage your pipes. Before planting trees or shrubs, make sure they're located in a safe distance away from your sewer lines. Follow these guidelines to prevent root intrusion and keep your sewer lines running smoothly. Our next prevention tip involves proper maintenance, specifically regular cleaning. Using enzyme-based drain cleaners can help prevent buildup and maintain the health of your sewer lines. But avoid using products with caustic chemicals, as those can do more harm than good. Finally, consider scheduling professional sewer line inspections. Our expert technicians use advanced camera technology to detect potential issues before they become major problems. You can also use our camera to help locate your sewer line so you know where or where not to plant trees and shrubs. There you have it, folks. The scoop on common causes of sewer line blockages and how you can prevent them.